Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is Komal. I would like to welcome you all, and today we bring with a new interesting topic. As last time we go through how to become a cosmetic technologist in India. Today we bring with new topic, that is what is included in cosmetic technology course. Before that, I would like to tell you what exactly cosmetic. As you know that cosmetic is something related with lotion, creams, some makeup products, deodorant and fragrance. Apart from this, what exactly meant by cosmetics? So guys, cosmetics according to Drug and Cosmetic Acts, cosmetics mean any article meant to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on or introduced into or otherwise applied to any part of the human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering appearance, and including any article intended for use as a component of cosmetics. As the definition mentioned, some keywords related to beauty, human body, articles meant to be rubbed, poured, sprinkle, which is related to formulation and development of product. So there is a need to study structure of a body, formulations and their applications. Now we are going to discuss all the topics one by one, why these topics are the part of cosmetic technology course. So guys, as you all are aware about, the cosmetic is the term which is related to core beauty. But there is a myth. The course is related to beauty parlor. But I am telling you, the course is not related, fully not related to the beauty parlor. So this course is not only of beauty culture, but includes the extensive organic and physical chemistry. Secondly, as the cosmetics are going to applied on the skin, nail, hair and eye, there is a need to study the structure and their details. As I already discussed in our last video, formulation is the core heart of cosmetic technology course. So to formulate and develop the product, we have to thorough with ingredients, their properties and functions. These all topics are covered under the topic cosmetic technology. Some ancient remedies and herbs are used to treat skin and hair care, which include natural ingredients like tulsi, neem, amla, aloe vera, etc., but does not know how these natural ingredients work. Certain preliminary study is required for herbal cosmetic formulation. As the cosmetic is going to enter the skin, the quality of cosmetic product is another important aspect. Customer buy the product only if quality is good, otherwise it can affect their skin. Quality raw material the basis for good quality product, and hence there is a need to study technique of quality assurance. As cosmetic products are applied on external layer of skin, we have to know about dermatology to study toxics, sensitizing effect of product and its penetration pathway. Now we are going to talk about very important topic, an aspect of cosmetic product. Apart from all this technical word, apart from all this technique, we are really habitual to check the smell and color of product when we are visiting to the cosmetic product outlet, and most of the people are very crazy behind the smell and the color of product and packaging also. So for the aesthetic presentation of that particular product, perfume and color play an important role. Therefore course included extraction techniques and formulation of perfume and color from natural and synthetic sources. And of course, cosmetic is the part of beauty. So there are some topics on application of formulated product, and basic knowledge about the grooming session. Now we are going to discuss another important topic which play an important role during formulation, new product development, research work and during procurement of certain raw materials in the cosmetic industry. There is a mathematic calculations associated with it. Hence, basic calculation techniques included in the course solve these grave problems. Now we are going to discuss the last topic, that is computer application. Students of cosmetic technology should have thorough knowledge of computer applications and software by which they can store data, analyze data and solve the formulation related aspects and update the information about the trends and market situations. So guys, this is all about what is included in a cosmetic technology field. Hope so this information will be beneficial for you, and for more such video related with cosmetic technology field, please share, like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.